Hello everybody, SwiftBricks here, back again with a short announcement for you guys. So today I'm announcing the launch of my new 2018 LEGO Harry Potter Common Room series for sale on eBay. It's actually the instructions PDF file that's for sale on eBay for each of the houses, consisting of Slytherin, which is the best house, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff. You can purchase the instruction PDF file for the low price of $2 Canadian, which is also equivalent to $1.50 American. So that's all you gotta do. Click on the link in the description and it'll lead you to my eBay profile and to the link where the instruction PDF file's for sale. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you consider purchasing my PDF file if you are a Harry Potter fan. Support your house and support the channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys!